Welcome to the Excess Select Equity Fund of Funds Quarter 2 Fund Commentary. The Excess Select Equity Fund of Funds was down minus 0.2% for the quarter and is up 6% year to date. Let me remind you of who the underlying fund managers are within the Excess Select Fund. It is ABAX, who are managing the Nedgroup Rainmaker Fund, Allan Gray, Coronation, Investec, and Foort, who manage the Nedgroup Investments Value Fund. In terms of the underlying asset allocation within the Excess Select Equity Fund, it currently has 10% in direct foreign exposure and 44% in Rand hedge equities. These equities are mainly broken down into 28% financials exposure and 25% into basic materials. The main equity holdings within the portfolio are Naspers at 8.3%, Sasol at 5.8%, British American Tobacco at 5.1%, Standard Bank at 4.8%, and BHP at 4.5%. If we look at the actual underlying fund holdings and who performed during the quarter, the worst performing fund and main detractor from performance was through the Allan Gray Equity Fund that was down minus 3.2% for the quarter, with the fund being up 3% year to date. Coronation Equity Fund was down minus 0.5 for the quarter and is up strongly year to date with a great performance of 10%. The Nedgroup Investments Value Fund managed by Foort was just in positive territory, up 0.3% for the quarter and is up 2% year to date. ABAX, manager of the Nedgroup Investments Rainmaker Fund, was also just in positive territory, up 0.5% for the second quarter and is up 5.8% year to date. The other and last strong performer within the portfolio was the Investec Equity Fund that was up 1.1% for the second quarter but is also up 10% year to date. So overall, the portfolio is still up quite strongly, outperforming the average South African equity general fund, which is up 7.5% year to date.